So I thought, I'll just listen to this podcast while I go for a run. Is there anything?
In fact.
So there, I put the podcast in and I go, oh great, well you know, I'm sure Chris and the team will give me the motivation I need for this good cause. 30 seconds in, this is playing out.
I'd be delighted to know that you've not been blocked. I'm going to read some of it out. I'm sad you don't read my texts anymore. I think I've been blocked by Radio X for calling insert name of Radio X DJ an idiot. Oh, yeah, you hold it up. Okay. Okay, you hold no. Shut up. At Old Trafford. Oh, and by the way, you'll be watching him not from the VIP area.
I get it. Why didn't you have it over the weekend?
Perfect. It'll take you.
Toby, we wish him well, don't we?
I hope he's brought some cake in.
Toby Lee, thank you for 10 years of listening. You are our listener of the day.
Oh, he's got a nice big organ. It's weirdly very inspirational, but it's inspirational in a way that doesn't help you in any way, shape or form. Does it now, really?
Well, I got a text from you.
Yeah.
So, but explain the dumbbell bit.
So,
how does this come involved?
So, I watched literally within about, because each episode's an hour long or something, I don't know. So, I watched a couple of episodes back to back. The next day, I watched the other 2 episodes back to back. I watched the whole thing in 24 hours. 4 hours of it. And because it's Dr. Dre and all of NWA and
Serious?
And
What are you doing?
And they play all the tunes. They've got footage in the studio. They're recording stuff. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. So I thought, right, I'll make myself a little playlist, right, of all the songs. So I put together a little Dre playlist, right? So I've got still DRE, next episode, nothing but
just move over somewhere else then.
Dre, and then I go, I'll put some Snoop Dogg on there, Gin and Juice, Who Am I, Snoop Dogg, all that, a bit of Warren G. Oh, great. And I'll go down to the gym and I'll just do some running, a bit of weights, whatever. So I'm on weights, so just on the little dumbbells, right? Trying to... Dublin win this rugby match. That's the Grand Slam. They've won everything. That's right. Unbeaten. Six Nations champions, Grand Slam, everything. Boom. Anybody know when is WrestleMania?
WrestleMania is in a couple of weeks' time.
It's right, April the 8th.
Yeah.
And I think Johnson still takes part in those. Are you doing work? Elvis Camper. And so we sat with Sue Pollard for like, I don't know, 40 minutes. Yeah. Come on.
Well, that is what he's saying. He's got his words wrong.
Pippa, can I go home?
What are you doing?
Now. Don, will you be prepared to take over for the rest of the
Yes. No, can I go home now?
No.
Do you? Idiot.
Go choose a lane.
I don't know, Chris.
Is that what the same?
No. The first one is Liv.
Two crackers. Guns N' Roses into Ash.
That one!
September. Subject to availability, price and participation may vary.
When I want to watch a movie, Sky Cinema is ready.